Ready to cook like a professional chef? The new COSORI Lite 4.0 Quart Smart Air Fryer lets you cook show-stopping meals with ease. Choose from hundreds of recipes on the free V-Sync app. Or cook your own masterpiece with one-touch cooking functions, all on the bright top-facing display, all with less oil and fat than deep-fried food. Even heating technology maintains precise temperatures throughout, while improved air circulation creates even heat distribution for crispy results in minutes. And voice control,
Alexa, add 5 minutes to the air fryer.
Keeps it hands-free. When you're done, cleanup couldn't be any easier. So when you want to focus on the important things, we've got you covered.
I'm pretty excited, you guys. I just barely picked up this COSORI accessory kit. I also got this COSORI air fryer, which I love. I've been using it for about 4 days and it's awesome. But now I want to see what else I can do with this accessory kit. So let's unbox it. So I've heard a lot of good things about this, so I'm excited to see what it has to offer. It looks like it has a rotisserie set right here, a metal pan holder, and a pizza pan dish. It also comes with a silicone mat and this silicone dish, which is really great for eggs, but also for little mini muffins. And then, of course, the deeper pan. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some soy sauce. I'm going to slice up some chicken and then throw that in the soy sauce. Ooh, also some garlic, which we love. And then we are going to grab some onions. Lots of onions. We are big onion fans. I'm going to throw them onto the rotisserie sticks and then put them right on the rotisserie tray like so. I'm going to stack this up all the way to the brim, and this is what it looks like. Oh, that looks so good. And then in the air fryer it goes, and let's see how it looks. Amazing. And I know it looks good, but I'm going to tell you it tasted even better. Now I decided to also try a little cake with chocolate chips inside. Amazing as well.
Let's talk about this instant air fryer. So I got this because America's Test Kitchen told me that it was the best one to get, and so here we are. So we have all these different settings based on what it is that you're trying to do. You can change your temperature and you can use the knob to do that. You can bake, preheat, dehydrate, and all the other things. So I'm just going to turn it off right now, and then when you open it up, it's just it's a little stiff because I just got it. So we have our tray inside that you want to make sure that you always have in here and clean. It has these nice little grippies here on the end to help make it a little bit more stable and secure. So I'm just going to be wobbling around all the time. So we're going to test this out and make some cinnamon sticks. So let's see how this goes. Real quick before we cook anything, I want to talk about, like, this is actually pretty light, which I like. It has these grippies on the bottom, so this isn't going to slide around on the counter. And it has this, like, I want to say like 2-foot power cable that you want with the 3-prong plugs, so that you have that there for whatever you're trying to do, so you know. Ooh, it looks so good.
My name is Christina Nietzsche, and this is the beautiful Instant Omni Pro. So I've actually used this a lot for many different things. I actually did a rotisserie chicken in here. It comes with a few really cool kind of like accessories. So let me explain what we have going on here. So you basically you're gonna have, let's talk about this first. This is actually a temperature sensor. So there's actually a socket, which is really crazy when you open this up, and it gets actually plugged right into there. And then this, you take this little top off. This is just like a little top to protect you from like poking yourself. But this actually goes into the meat, and this stays in the oven as you're cooking it, and it will actually cook your meat to a perfect temperature, okay? So another really cool accessory that you get with this is going to be the accessories that you would need to cook a rotisserie chicken. So you are actually going to get these pieces right here. Both of these come off. So you get this rack or this kind of like this pole right here. And then these two ends actually get put into the ends of your chicken. This right here is just to actually get this out, so you don't actually have to kind of like reach for this area right here and burn yourself. This is actually gonna help get this whole thing out when you have your chicken on there. Now, you can also cook kind of like your potatoes. You can do air frying in this. So you're gonna get a nice air fry basket, and you can place this on different levels, or there's actually 4 different shelving options. But what I do really like about this is if I close this door, there are actually different suggestions of where they would like you to place each accessory. So it's really kind of like a foolproof accessory or oven to have. Now you're gonna get this huge, gigantic touch screen, and it actually has a light on here, so you can press the light, which actually turns on the light inside the oven. You can air fry, roast, broil, bake, slow cook, warm, reheat, proof your bread, toast, and also dehydrate, which is pretty awesome. This also actually has I do have some crumbs down here because I do use this. This is actually your crumb tray. I would recommend using maybe like a little silicone. They do have like those small silicone cookie sheets, and just place that at the bottom. That'll actually help for easy cleanup, you know. Now you're also actually gonna get a roasting pan right here. This is also able to be placed on the different 4 shelving options. You are also gonna get this is actually your tray right here, so your shelf. This gets placed on, you actually have, again, you have your 4 different shelving options depending on what you're trying to cook. So you get all of this, guys. I mean, I've done cookies in here, rotisserie chicken. I did lemon bars in here as well. So a lot of different really cool things that you can actually make with this. Cleanup is pretty easy as well. Just be careful not to touch these heating elements right here. So these lights, these are like a type of heating element. So really love it, guys, and definitely really good quality. It is another great gadget from Instant.